Homemade chocolate decadence fudge cake with strawberry. Welcome to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, where we bring you delicious homemade treats to satisfy your sweet cravings. Today, we have something truly decadent for you, a chocolate decadence fudge cake with a delightful strawberry twist. So, let's get started. Listing the ingredients. 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. 1½ teaspoons of baking soda. 1½ cups of granulated sugar. 3/4 cup of buttermilk. ½ cup of vegetable oil. 2 large eggs. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1 cup of fresh strawberries, diced. 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, for dusting. Whipped cream, optional, for garnish. Preparation. Let's start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Now, it's time to get baking. In a large mixing bowl, sift together the all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and granulated sugar. In a separate bowl, whisk together the buttermilk, vegetable oil, eggs, and vanilla extract. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until the batter is smooth and well combined. Now, slowly pour in the boiling water and mix until the batter is silky and uniform. Fold in the diced strawberries gently. Grease and flour a 9 by 9 inch, 23 by 23 cm, square baking pan. Pour the cake batter into the prepared pan and spread it evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once done, remove the cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. After the cake has cooled, carefully transfer it to a serving platter. Dust the top of the cake with a generous amount of powdered sugar. For the ultimate indulgence, you can serve each slice with a dollop of whipped cream and a fresh strawberry on top. And there you have it, our homemade chocolate decadence fudge cake with a luscious strawberry twist. This cake is rich, moist, and bursting with chocolate flavor, complemented perfectly by the sweet, juicy strawberries. It's the perfect dessert to treat yourself and your loved ones. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel for more delightful recipes. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy baking! And thank you very much, homemade chocolate decadence fudge cake with a luscious strawberry twist lovers.